So what are you talking? What? Were you pointing at something? Jackson, no biting. Really? Mm-hmm. Are you being silly goose? Hmm? Oh, where are you going? Mm-hmm. Okay, you can eat that now. That's a good look. Yeah, just pull it right off of there. You weird kid.